video session. Today we are going to study numbers. In numbers, we are going to study about multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is adding a number to itself repeatedly. In this lesson, we are going to study about different concept of multiplication. So let's get into the video session.
Term 2, Unit 1, Numbers. In this lesson, we are going to learn about multiplication. Okay, children, what is multiplication? Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. For example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Here we add 4 3 times and the answer is 12. This can be written as 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Multiplication is quicker way to add the number occurring repeatedly. Next, let us see the symbol of multiplication. We use the symbol into to represent multiplication. Observe the following example. In the given picture, we can see 4 trees in 5 groups. So, totally there are 20 trees. 4 trees in 5 groups is 20. This can be written as 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. That is 4 5s are 20. Let me explain the following in brief. Look at the video. Here 4 represents the number of trees in each group. 5 number of groups. 20 total number of trees. That is 4 is known as multiplicand. 5 multiplier and 20 is the product. Did you understand the explanation? Okay, let us move on. Multiplication of a number with other number can be done in the following ways. Dot multiplication, repeated addition, regrouping, standard multiplication algorithm, lattice multiplication. To understand all these methods, we need to be thorough with the tables. So children, I need you all to be thorough with the tables given in the video. 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. Remember children, without thoroughing these tables, we can't proceed further in this multiplication lesson. So, always be thorough with the tables. Now, let me teach you the first method, dot multiplication. There are some stars given. Tell me the number of horizontal rows. 2. Number of vertical columns? 4. So, total number of stars? Tell me the answer. Yes, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. That is 2 4s are 8. So, the total number of given stars is 8. This is how we do the method dot multiplication. Next, repeated addition. Observe the following flowers in the boxes. There are 3 flowers in each boxes. We can find the total number of flowers as follows. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. 3 groups of 3 flower makes 9. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. That is 3 3s are 9. This is known as repeated addition. I hope you all will be thorough with the multiplication tables. Now, fill the given boxes using multiplication tables. 6 multiplied by 3, that is 6 3s are 18. 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. Dash multiplied by 4 is equal to 40. 10. 2 9s are 18. Very good. Likewise, you also keep on practicing the tables as I shown in the videos. Now, let us move on to the third method, multiplication by regrouping. This method can be used by multiplying a 2-digit number. Let me show you an example sum to understand this method easily. Consider the following multiplication: 53 multiplied by 7. 53 can be regrouped into 5 tens and 3 ones. That is, the number has been splitted into place values, that is 3 in ones place and 5 in tens place. Hence, 53 multiplied by 7 can be written as 50 plus 3 into 7. That is 50 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by 7. Now multiply the number 50 into 7. The answer is 350 plus 3 sevens are. What is 3 sevens are? 3 sevens are 21. Now let us add the products together. 350 plus 21. So the answer is 371. Do you understand this method, children? Our next method is multiplication using standard algorithm. To do this method, we have to be thorough with the multiplication tables. Sum 1. 14 multiplied by 2. Arrange the sum as shown in the video. That is, in ones place and tens place. Now, find out in which table we are going to multiply the given number. Yes, that is 2 table. Let us start. Step 1. Multiply 2 into 4. What is 2 4s are? 2 4s are 8. Now put the answer in the ones place column. Let us move on to the next step. 2 ones are. What is 2 ones are? 2 ones are 2. Correct. Now put the product 2 in tens place. So
14 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28. Children, I hope you would understand how to multiply the numbers. Let us move on to the second sum. Sum 2. 23 multiplied by 4. Arrange the sum as I shown before. First, check in which number we are going to multiply the sum. In which number we are going to multiply this sum? Yes, 4 tables. 4 threes are. What is 4 threes are? 4 threes are 12. Since this is 2-digit product, we have to split the number as 2 at the bottom of the ones place and 1 as a remainder on tens place. Do you understand? Now let us multiply the next. 4 twos are. Yes, what is 4 twos are? 4 twos are 8. Now we have to add this product 8 plus the remainder 1. So what will be the answer? The answer is 9. So we have to write the number 9 at the tens place. So 23 multiplied by 4 is equal to 92. Do you understand this sum, children? To make this method clear, let us move on to the third sum. 32 multiplied by 5. Arrange the numbers as I told before. Yes. Now, what table is this? 5 table. Let us start our steps. First step, 5 twos are. Yes, what is 5 twos are? 5 twos are 10. Correct. Now what we have to do? Since it is a 2-digit number, split the number 0 on the ones place and 1 as a remainder on tens place. Now move on to step 2. 5 threes are. What is 5 threes are? 5 threes are 15. Yes, now what we have to do? We have to add the product 15 plus the remainder 1. So the answer is 16. Now we have to split the 16, 6 at the tens place and 1 at the hundreds place. So 32 multiplied by 5, the answer is 160. Do you understand this sum, children? I hope you would have understood how to do the multiplication by using the tables. Practice this method by doing few more sums as directed in the video. I hope you would have clearly understood this method standard algorithm in multiplication. Lattice multiplication. Let us study a new way of multiplication called lattice multiplication. So what is lattice multiplication? It's a Chinese method of multiplication that is helpful while dealing with numbers more than 2 digits. Example, 52 multiplied by 36, 893 multiplied by 25. These numbers
can be easily multiplied by using this lattice method. Children, look the video carefully and follow the steps to understand the lattice multiplication method easily so that it will be easy for you to deal with more than 2-digit multiplications. Look at the video and practice the step as shown. Step 1. Draw a square. Divide the square in 4 parts. Now, draw lines as shown in the video. We are going to multiply the number 52 multiplied by 36. First, take the number 52. Split the number 52 as shown in the video. Next, take the number 36 and split the number as shown. Now, our question is ready. Let us move on to step 2. In step 2, we are going to start how to multiply the number using lattice method. First, we have to multiply the numbers 5 and 3. So, what is 5 into 3? 5 3s are 15. The product is 15. 15 should be written as 1 and 5 in the respective square box. Next, let us multiply number 5 with number 6. So, what is 5 6 are? 5 6 are 30. We have to write the number 30 in the square box below the first square box as shown. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now, let us move on to next. As we finished multiplying the number 5, let us move on to number 2. Now multiply the number 2 and 3. What is 2 3s are? 2 3s are 6. Since it is a single digit, we have to write the number in the square as 0, 6. Move on to next step. 2 6 are. What is 2 6 are? 2 6 are 12. As this is 2-digit number, we can write the number as before, 1 and 2. Okay, children? With this, step 2 has been completed. Now, let us move on to step 3. In step 3, we have to add the numbers in the rows. First, 2. So since it is a single digit, you can write the 2 as it is shown in the video. Now move on to next row. 6 plus 1. What is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1, 7. Now move on to the third row. 0 plus 5 plus 3. So what is the answer, children? 0 plus 5 plus 3 is 8. Move on to the next row. As it is a single digit, put the number as it is. Now let us move on to the last step. The last step is how we have to write the answer. In which direction we have to write the answer. Let me teach you. Look at the video, children. The answer should be written as 1, 8, 7, 2. That is 52 multiplied by 36. The product is 1872. Did you get the answer, children? A very important thing we have to remember in this lattice multiplication method is the multiplicand and the multiplier. The multiplicand should be on the top of the square and the multiplier should be at the sides of the square. To make this lattice multiplication method more understandable, let us do another sum with 3-digit number so that it will be very useful and helpful for you to understand this method. Shall we? 893 multiplied by 25. Arrange the sum as I told before. Now let us start. 8 twos are 16. Next 8 fives are. What is 8 fives are? 8 fives are 40. Now let us move on to number 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 fives are 45. Now move on to the third number. 3 twos are 6. Then 3 fives are. What is 3 fives are? 3 fives are 15. Now we have to add the rows. First 5. Next row 6 plus 1 plus 5, 12. Since it is a 2-digit number, we put the carry on the top of the next row. Now add that row, you will be getting 13. 3 at the down and 1 as a reminder in the next row. Now add that row, 12. 2 down and 1 on the top of the next row. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. I hope you know how to write the answer for this question. 893 multiplied by 25. The answer is 22,325. So children, I hope you would have understood the sums in this lesson numbers. Let us meet in the next video session. Thank you.